minute the joke has obviously.
Hopper, you can leave it if you want, but I shouldn't need it, so... but either way, we need to get it over to the crew lock bag at some point.
Roger that. Good motion. Thank you, good motion. Ike, do you want me to leave it or keep it? Leave it? Yeah, okay. Clear underneath you? Yes.
And Ike, once we get to the Colca back off, we've got a third one to go in for the Colca cover removal. If you're good, we'll do a little config and then take it in.
Okay. Andy, I'm going to attach the black cat keeper to one of the hooks on the white cat keeper.
Copy. And Hopper, once you've temp stowed them there, then you can head back to Colca.
Cool.
Now, 3 hours and 46 minutes into today's spacewalk, which began at 5:28 a.m. Central Time, Hopkins and Glover have encountered issues mating the cable connections to the Bartolomeo Science platform. They were able to soft dock the connections and could move the connector level approximately halfway to closed, but could not get the lever to move all the way to the mated position. The team in Mission Control is working a troubleshooting plan for these connectors. Meanwhile, the Colca, or Columbus Ka band antenna, which was installed earlier on today's spacewalk, did not see the indications the ground was expecting after activating the Colca heaters. Hopkins demated and remated the associated connections in an attempt to activate the heater. However, the heater was still not activated. In addition to continuing troubleshooting with their counterparts at the European Space Control Center in Cologne, the plan is to continue with removing the Colca cover per the spacewalk task list. This cover is no longer needed and will be jettisoned following its removal.
Okay. GCA complete?
Copy, GCA complete.